All measurements for this recipe are just by cups. First, measure out 1 standard cup of rolled oats and pour into a large cereal bowl. Next, measure out 1/3 of a cup of soya milk. If you prefer almond milk, use that instead. Then fill the remaining space in the cup with cold water. Pour the whole cup of liquid into the bowl. Then add another cup of cold water. That's all the measuring done. Next, place the bowl on a plate into the microwave and dial up high power and 4 minutes. Watch that the porridge doesn't boil over. Heat for the full 4 minutes. Remove the bowl and whisk the mixture with a fork. Return the bowl to the microwave and dial another 3 minutes. This time, watch the mixture as it boils up. Stop the microwave when the mixture rises up to the lip of the bowl, but without overflowing. Remove the bowl and whisk again. Cook a third time until the surface of the porridge reaches to the lip of the bowl. Remove the plate and bowl. There, it's cooked. Perfect porridge. You can add chopped banana, blueberries, strawberries and brown sugar as you like.